Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today we are writing one email. Thanks for the invitation. Somebody has invited you for the party and you are saying thanks. So how do we begin? Let's start. Lieber Martin. Danke für die Einladung. Ich komme gern in die Party. Ich freue mich sehr darauf. Was soll ich mitbringen? Ich möchte gern Cola und Kuchen mitbringen. Wer kommt noch in die Party? Ich komme mit Maria zur Party. Bis bald. And then you can say viele Grüße. Or you can also write dein Freund and here your name. My name is Aditya. So this is our email writing. I hope you like it and you will get some idea how to write an email to your friend. And thanks your friend. Please give me your feedback and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.